Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to send Polkadot from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with upcoming updates that might streamline transfers. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely. Let's dive in. First off, make sure your accounts on both Exmo and Kraken are fully verified. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Log into Kraken and head to your wallet section. Find your Polkadot address. Copy it carefully because one typo could send your tokens astray. Next, switch over to Exmo. Go to your Polkadot wallet and select the withdrawal option. Paste the address you copied from Kraken into the appropriate field. Double-check that you're using the correct network. Polkadot operates on its own blockchain, so select .network if it's an option. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees Exmo might charge. They can vary, so check that first to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this through two-factor authentication for extra security. After that, sit tight and monitor the transaction. Polkadot transfers are usually fast, taking anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Kraken and check your balance to confirm the tokens have arrived. A quick word of advice: always verify addresses and amounts before confirming any transfer. Use secure connections and never share your private keys. With 2025 updates potentially improving speeds and fees, this process might get even easier, but these basics will always apply. There you have it. Your Polkadot is now on Kraken. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.